Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and I hope you all are doing great. So let's get practice. Today's session. It's all about Excel's formulas and function, and I'm also learning and I'm practicing. And I thought that while practicing, if I keep sharing with others, then it will be helpful for you guys. So don't think much, just start practicing and. If you are the one who wants to grow in your career, wants to learn Excel, because nowadays Excel is in trend. If you are not working professional and still if you are a student, a housewife, then you can also learn. It will be not only help you in your journey but also in your kids journey and in your if you want to create dashboards that is needed nowadays any company, you after learning and after watching practicing with me, you will be able guys, because I don't share only Excel, I don't practice only Excel but also Power BI, SQL, all the data analytics course I will provide you. If you are guys interested and comment me that yeah I am interested, you keep sharing all the things, then only I can. So guys, today's practice session is all about Excel, and let's get started. What is going to practice today? So guys, here are you watching in search bar, go type Excel, then your Excel will be appear and you have to click. After clicking, you watching, here is a search bar written there. uh, you have to, there you will get different kind of templates here, so you have to work what kind of templates are you finding and want to work on, that is needed. It will not only reduce your time but it will be helpful to work on any kind of template, any kind of work. It will built in create in a very less time. So imagine, suppose you are trying to create a business template, so you have written there, clicked on business, and you watching guys, there are so many templates available related to business. You have to just click any one to work on that, and it can be anything. So just click on that, and what you want to after double clicking you can change, replace the value what it is needed. You can change the company's name, street address, phone number, email, what you want to what is on which company are you going to work and working. Just type here, and after typing, after filling this template, you can print it. So, and one thing is to learn here, that here is a dollar sign guys, are you watching? Yeah, here is a dollar sign. So how, if you are getting a problem that how can we change this dollar signs, though, then suppose here is dollar sign and you want to change it in Indian rupees, so you have to click on that drop down here, drop arrow, that is called quick launcher, I think. So here is a drop arrow sign, you have to just click it and click on English India, then it will change rupees, dollar sign will change on rupees. And one thing I would like to practice and want to repeat it again, that guys, if you are going to face any kind of interview or any questions that can company ask to you, then you have to prepare before that. So for that I'm going to share one thing that I'm going to repeat as I have already shared in my earlier videos, then you can watch that. Still I'm sharing today, repeating for practice, that this is called menu bar, menu, and these all are ribbon and in ribbon there is a group like clipboard, font, alignment, and where is written clipboard, font alignment, you after that you will get a arrow sign, a down arrow sign, align arrow sign, that is called quick launcher, in which after clicking you will get advanced level of function that is not appear on the screen, hidden there in quick launcher. After clicking on quick launcher you will get all the advanced level. So this was the very helpful, you will learn all the things in practice. So today I am just getting you aware that you can learn all the things, you can recognize all the name of functions, then that will be helpful for your next practice session. And suppose you want to make, and after creating this one you can also print. Here is undo, so you can click on that to go your back position, earlier position. And if you want to print, let me try whether it is happening or not. No, it is not happening. So how we can print it? Is there any kind of sign? So guys, I have to search it where because I have zoomed it. You have to find how will we can find it. It is your work. So guys, if you are practicing and after filling the form, this templates, you have to print it and just try to use your mind, how can we, where is the available that function to print, and you have to do it by yourself. And if you don't, just try it. If you don't, then I will be here to help here to you, and I will also try. So today's session, this is all about template. Just learn and try to fill it, try to print it, and after learning this you can do any works in a in a minute. That will be very helpful for you, any company, and for your work. So just keep practicing, keep learning. Thank you. Bye bye.